What is this? Is this like a lightsaber or something? Can't figure out how to make the sword come out. Wait till you get a load of this. We have a cordless air pump by Siyoteam. With this, you don't need any wires. It's rechargeable. So let's try it out. Here's the power button. We got it on. Now this has several different modes to it. One, it has a lit screen light. You can set the automatic pressure so you don't have to stand right over top of it and wait. It has automatic shutoff. Now this is rated for a car, a motorcycle, or a bike. I wouldn't try to pump up anything bigger than that. So let's go ahead and try this out right now on the new Scoria. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is connect the air hose that came with it. Just screw that in. Okay, we're gonna locate our air stem. Open up our valve. Put it on the stem as far down as you can go and lock it in like that. Cut our pump back on. Let's go to settings. It's at 5 PSI and we should be at maximum 30 PSI. Let's take that down to at least 26, 27 PSI. Let's set it to bicycle. That's basketball, car, motorcycle, bike. Now let's start it up. It's giving us a readout of where we are now. It's at 6.87 PSI. Tires say 30 PSI max, and the pump is on 22 PSI. I think I'm gonna stay right around there. I don't know how accurate that is, but I'm feeling the tire, and I'm standing on the tire, and it's done. So I'm gonna just put 22 pounds of pressure in both tires. So that's what we'll do. Now let's do the front tire. All we do now is pop that up and pull it off. Put our cap back on, and we good as gold. We're gonna change that to 21 PSI. There we go. All right, we got it set on bicycle. We already have some air in there. Also has a light to it. Now that's cool. Take a lot of air to fill up these fat tires. Yeah, they're shorter, but these are some fat boys. I want to see if it cuts off. And it shuts itself off. Auto shut off. Sweet. I got nervous there for a minute, y'all. But it works great. And it fits right in your bag. Take that off and put the cap back on. Good as gold. So that's it. So the Siyoteam came with the extra cord and everything. All you got to do is put it back in the bag, and it takes a normal USB recharger. And now I can just put this in my bag before I go on my journey for just in case. So I want to say thank you to Siyoteam for sending out the cordless air pump, because it's awesome and I won't leave home without it. So you guys, if you're looking into the Siyoteam cordless air pump, it's in the comment section below. Come back, check us out, and watch the review on the Mach Wheel Scoria. Let's go.